If you're wanting to know what you should pay a plumber to replace the tub overflow gasket in a bathtub, usually the price should be anywhere between $100 and $150. As you can see here, I got a repair done, and they replaced the and I'll show you in a second where that's located, the overflow gasket. And as you can see there, it's $110. If you look on Google, the average is from 100 to 150. It's simple to do. After I learned what detailed, you could do it yourself if you're a handyman, and I'll show you what to do. The only thing you would do is just unscrew these screws here. This will come up, and there's like a little gasket. You just want to make sure you get the right size. Sometimes contractors will put the wrong size gasket, little ring there. They'll put the wrong size, or the ring can wear out, and that's why you might be having a problem. So what happens a lot of times is people will take a bubble bath, or they're washing their dog, or they're washing their loved one, and they'll run the water, and the water will come up over here. And as soon as it goes up here, water will leak down onto the carpet, into the laminate, and all that good stuff. All right, so I hope that helped. Again, probably from $100 to $150 is what I would pay a plumber. Thanks.